guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool animation on Canva. So I'm just going to have two of these bottles kind of the same height here, and I'm just going to try to place it as equal as possible here, and I'm going to make this middle one the biggest, and I'm just going to place it right here. Then I'm just going to right click, duplicate page. Then I'm going to move the green soda into the middle. Let me just copy and paste this first and place that here. I actually need to place this one over here. And let me bring this one over here. And then I'm going to place this green bottle in the middle, and I'm going to size it up. Let me actually just copy it first. Oh, let me just, whoops. I actually press that all the time. There we go. Then I'm just going to press add page. Oh, actually I need to duplicate it again. I'm sorry. And then I want the pink bottle to be there. Let me just paste that green bottle so I can place it right here. And then place this one to this bottle. And this one to the green bottle. Just resize that up. And delete this one. Go to the transitions and select match and move. You can also adjust the duration if you'd like to, but just make sure you're clicking that. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.